Okay, for project 2-4, we're going to open back up project 2, or keep it open, the workbook, and we're going to add a new worksheet. So click down here, new sheet, double click on the sheet name. We're going to rename it Advertising Expenditures. Actually, Advertising Expenses Solution. Hit enter. And then we're going to add a title in A1, call it Fourth Coffee. Hit enter. In A2, type January Expenditures. Hit enter twice, so go to row 4. In A4, we're going to add some column headings. So first date, and then hit tab, and then check number. Check NO, hit tab, then paid to, tab, category, tab, and amount. So these are our column headings for our tables of information here. And then it gives you a bunch of information. You have to go through and figure out where the dates are, the check numbers, and so on. So I'll just kind of do that. The first one is January 3rd. So I'll just type January 3 and hit enter, or tab, I guess, and it gives me a custom date, 3 January, which is okay. We could change that if we wanted to here under date, short date, long date, and there's other options, but we'll keep it that way. That check number is 4076, and it's paid to Worldwide Importers. Which is really long, and it bleeds over, but as soon as we put it in a category, that's going to go away, and that's okay. We'll extend the columns in a minute. Go over to amount, and the amount is $3,000, and I'm not going to put any formatting because I'll format it later. Okay, the next date is January 20th, and I can just do Jan 20 and tab, and it puts it in that other format again. The check number is 4077, paid to Northern Traders. And the amount is for $600. The third one, January 22nd. Check number doesn't give it to us. It's paid to City Power and Light. And then the amount is $300. The next date is January 28th. No check number, it's paid to A Datum Corporation. And the amount is $200. And the last one is January 29th. Paid to Worldwide Importers. And I've already typed it, and so as soon as I hit the W, it says, hey, do you want this one? You've already typed it, and I do, so I hit enter, so that's nice. I don't have to type it again. And the amount is for $2,500. Okay, so now I need to format these a little bit. So first of all, I'm going to widen the columns. I'm going to come between these two because this one needs to be wider, and I'm just going to double click right here, and it automatically resizes that one. I could do that to all of them, but the rest look okay, so that's fine. Now the amounts, I should have the dollar signs on them, so I'm going to click and drag to select them all. Click right in the middle of E5 and drag down to E9. Then I'm going to come up here. Don't hit the dollar sign because that's an accounting format. It's a little bit different, and we want just currency. So hit that drop down, select currency, and then it gives us all the dollar signs and commas that we need. So then we don't have to type them all every time. Okay, that is it for this one. We've already got Advertising Expenses Solution there. Let's save it, and we're done.